Putting your money down on a smart lock is a great way to add on to your home security. In addition to this, we will also talk about the unboxing, features, installation, setup, settings, and test it out. What's up guys, welcome to ReaganVFilms. Today we'll be checking out the LiftMaster plus Yale smart lock. We'll be going through the unboxing, features, installation, settings, and test it out. To be honest here, my family uses the garage 97% of the time to enter and leave the house because it's faster. However, it is insufficient since it slowly damages the garage motor. I went with the LiftMaster times Yale lock as my first smart lock review because I saw this on sale for $180 on the MyQ Chamberlain website. If you don't know MyQ, they are the creators of smart garage controlling. This version has an integration between the hardware of Yale and MyQ, which allows you to control it through the MyQ app. However, keep in mind that there are many different smart locks made by Yale, and they are compatible with MyQ and several other companies. Let's have a look at the box. You can control your lock from anywhere with the MyQ app. You can unlock your door using the keypad. It's a key-free option, which means no keys or lockpicking is required. You can use a 9V as the battery backup to power your Yale lock. Installing a smart lock is very easy. First, if you have a MyQ hub, please make sure your smart lock will be in range. Then remove your door's current deadbolt in place. Then you will need to screw in the top and bottom of your new deadbolt. Cool. Now let's slide the keypad face out to everyone who is walking up is good. Make sure your cable does not interfere with the deadbolt. Now let's slide the lock facing the kitchen. Make sure it's straight up and down. Then take the two long screws and sandwich them both together. Once you got that done, you're going to slip the inside cover of the lock, screw it in, install the batteries. Once you got that done, you're going to slip the inside cover of the lock, screw it in, and install the batteries. However, do not install the battery cover just yet. Now, type in a 4 to 8 digit master code PIN, then press the gear icon. And that is pretty much it. Now on your phone, turn on Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and location services. Afterwards, open the MyQ app, then click on the plus sign above Discover. Select device, choose Smart Lock, then click on a Deadbolt lock. Afterwards, then click on Lock is installed. Now press a square on the checklist to mark it as done, then select I'm ready. Now remove one battery, wait 10 seconds. Then click on Next in the app. Then take your network module, type in the 10-digit serial number above the barcode that is located on one of your network module sides, then tap Done. Great, now we have to insert it. Make sure that the connection is facing the outdoors. Then go ahead and reinstall the battery. Don't forget to put the battery cover back on. Then tap Next. Now manually make sure your lock is in the locked position. Then tap on where it says Yale to make the numbers appear. Enter your master PIN code, then press the gear icon. Press the number 7 and the gear icon again, then press the red arrow twice to the right of the Yale icon. As the lock responds, tap Next. The app will find your lock now. The 10-digit serial number will appear on a discovered screen. Tap the lock, then choose a pre-named lock or tap Custom to create your own personalized lock name. Then tap Next. The lock will now be added to your account. It may take a while. Once completed, you will be given the option to continue with Wi-Fi setup. This only works if you have an existing smart garage controller. If you do not want to continue, tap Yes. Let's get online. Then select your smart garage hub listed in the app. Your smart lock is now pairing to your smart garage hub and will take a while. Once paired, make sure your lock is paired within the range of the lock. Then tap Done. Yay! Now that we have everything set up in the app, let's go ahead and look at the features. So here in the app, you're able to control your garage door if you have your smart home hub with MyQ. Now here we're specifically going to be looking at the door lock. At the top is your batteries. If you tap on that, it will pretty much show you steps on how to replace your batteries if you ever forget. Right here's your firmware. Currently it's up to date. This is your notifications. You're able to select when and where you want your notifications to be sent or received, no matter if it's through a push notification or an email. Right below it, you're able to schedule. However, your functions is only limited to a lock function. You're able to choose a time. After you choose a time, you would choose what type of notification type, and you would give it a name. Right below that will be your pins. If you click on plus, you're pretty much able to put a name to it, an email address, and the pin code. Now the email address is not required. However, your pin must be 4 to 8 digits long. If it's not, it's probably going to get rejected. Right below that is your delivery auto lock. So what it is that if there's a delivery through Amazon Prime, it will automatically lock when that in-garage delivery is happening, which I don't have Amazon Prime, so unfortunately I don't know how well it works. Now this is timer to lock. If you tap on that and you enable it, pretty much you have only these options from 30 all the way to 180 seconds. Now let's have a look at the users tab. In the user tab will be all your owner, co-owners, family, and friends. If you want to add more, just click on the plus sign and there you go. You can just keep on adding it. However, the email must be registered with the MyQ app. Now if you tap on a name, you're able to see what access they have, such as this one with the garage door, front door lock, and etc. If you're a co-owner, when you tap on their name, it will pretty much show what they're able to see and everything that they have access to. Now in history, you're able to see when and what time your garage opens or closes, or when your door is locked or unlocked. Now here in our Discover tab shows what is new with the MyQ network and their partners, such as the Amazon Key, get a free in-garage delivery when you link with Amazon Key, and Walmart in-home, Tesla, Vivint, Ring, etc. There's a whole bunch in here. However, unfortunately, Google Home is not added to this. In my unbiased opinion, this lock is great and awesome looking from the outdoors. However, as a high schooler majoring in interior design, it is a little bulky on the insides, and I don't like that. No mechanical or technical issues have occurred recently, except that oftentimes it's a little slow responding to my commands through the app. However, Yale expecting us to have a 9-volt battery as backup when the batteries die is actually really tough, especially if the store is closed and you don't really have enough time and it's almost midnight. That would really be a bad hassle. And when you're trying to illuminate the keypad on the lock itself, you have to either tap the Yale logo or use 3 fingers in order to turn it on instead of just tapping it with 1 single finger. But other than that, I really think it's actually really nice. And I really love how it tells you if the door is locked or not and which pin code was actually used. Is this the best lock? Well, we'll see. The hunt still continues to go on for the best lock. So far, this is currently my best lock because it is my first lock that I'm ever reviewing. Yale is known nationally in the United States because of its function, because you've probably heard Nest and Yale and so forth. I will leave links down below if you want to check out this lock or anything else. Anyway, if you have questions about this lock, please leave them in the comments down below and I would love to answer them. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know if you want more videos like this. And don't forget to subscribe down below to get more videos like this.